One sunny morning, Zippy found something shocking in the kitchen. A giant golden cheese block, bigger than him. He whispered, "Wow, I must get this." But suddenly, bam! Milo jumped out from behind the fridge. Milo shouted, "Not today, tiny troublemaker. This cheese is mine to protect." Zippy winked. "Oh, really? Let's see." Zippy ran. Milo chased him, and the mega cheese chase began. Zippy slid under tables, ran across pans, and used spoons like trampolines. Milo slipped on butter, got stuck in a bucket, and even crashed into a drawer full of forks. Finally, Zippy used his super trick. He tied a string to Milo's tail and the other end to a rolling chair. Milo shouted, "Wait! No! No!" But the chair zoomed away. Swoosh! Milo spun across the whole kitchen like a helicopter and landed face first inside the golden cheese block. Zippy laughed happily. "Milo, thanks for helping me open the cheese." Milo sighed, covered in cheese. "You are impossible."